Imagine turning a simple idea into a full-on studio-quality track in just minutes. Custom vocals, your own unique sound, and even a trained AI model, all at your fingertips. Mureka AI is here, and it's about to revolutionize the music industry. While there are other AI music tools out there, Mureka AI is in a league of its own. It's the first platform with a chain of thoughts CHOT model, meaning your music has actual logic, depth, and emotion. It's like your song has a brain of its own. Here's how anyone, yes, even you, can create a pro-quality track in just a few minutes. Step 1. Start with a reference track or just type out your idea. Step 2. Choose your vocals. Pick from built-in presets or upload your own. Step 3. Hit generate and let Mureka AI work its magic. Step 4. Download your hit-worthy track. Check out an amazing AI-generated song created by Mureka AI.
We're gonna dance until we fly, feeling the rhythm, feeling the beat, moving our bodies to the electric heat. Shadows twirling across the floor, lost in the music, wanting more. Every step, every spin, let the melodies be our guiding wind.
Mureka AI versus Suno, which one wins?
Smoking white lines down the long gallery of love.
While Suno is popular, Mureka AI gives you so much more control. With Mureka, you can use audio as a prompt, not just text. Keep your vocals consistent throughout the track. Train your own custom AI model for a unique sound. Access an open API to integrate with other tools. Why Mureka AI is the future of music. What makes Mureka truly stand out is its chain of thoughts, CHOT model, a groundbreaking AI that composes music like a real musician. Every track it creates has structure, emotional depth, and intention. This isn't just some AI generator, it's an AI-powered artist. The future of music is here. Are you ready? If you've ever dreamed of creating music but didn't know where to start, now's your chance. Whether you're an artist, a producer, or just someone who loves playing with sound, Mureka AI gives you the tools to create music like never before. Try it now. Go to mureka.ai and start making music today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more game-changing AI updates. Catch you in the next one.
Yeah. Whoa.